Igcokama brocci.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. That should be good, huh?
Yeah, should be good. I'll put the white vest underneath.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
Yeah. Perfect.
Yeah. Nice one.
Cool, that's what's on the post up now on the Cody story.
Yes. That's good enough.
Leave it on,
Okay. Nice one. But I look like a nigga, bro. See underneath the like a cabbage.
huh? I'll fix it.
Frank. Sorry.
Yeah.
Is it cool?
Is that cool now?
I'll send it to you as well.
You're going to put this on the page.
Yeah.
Or no, take other one. Okay.
Okay.
Not this one. This one I'm not happy with it. Yeah. Take the next. Alright, focus back. Yeah, I can put this.
Nice.
No problem.
Like that.
Yeah.
Thank you.
The first one look like my old man now.
Not at all.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, this one's best. See where I come get well. Wait, when you do the photoshoot.
Yeah? We must plan it. We must tell we must chat to my dad and tell us when you.
When you're ready, brother. After Europe, you must come and shoot.
After you work.
Yeah.
Why are we
I can't. I'm too busy. I gave you another one.
Yeah.
Would you like this one? I gave you another one.
What? You notice that I think this?
I know you like this one. He has a new one.
Let me show you my client. Okay. Let me show my client. Okay. Come closer, bud. Come on. Young Charlie.
No, yeah, it's fine.
Hi. You see this? Yeah. It's up. How's it?
You're a big fan.
Hey, don't.
You're a big fan. Want a picture? Want a picture? Want a picture?
Live.
You'll be famous.
Alright.
Thank you.
It's also a good one for travel.
Can we show it?
Wanna try it on?
It's a new jacket.
Yeah, it's a new one.
Yeah, it's a new one. Aisha insezo. Hayi jacket. Entsha. Wathi ngifaka.
Five.
Yeah.
Just gone to shop.
Focus back.
Just gone to the shop. That was it's got stretch.
Okay?
Stretch.
Even ngisaseyinkomeni izingisi. Yeah? Ngisaseyinkomeni. Kuyangenza. Okay, so now what? Ndikufihle la.
Show the back.
Okay.
Nangale emuva ibhenge
It's
emuva.
nice.
Emuva
It's in China.
Right. Okay. Yeah. I feel. Okay. So. All right. So show it in around like. Yeah. I have a man now. Lack of Yeah.
See, when it's not supposed to say not, it's shines.
Yeah.
Other big fans, yeah.
Yeah.
Nang siya man si
Asesele kancane ukuthi ngimholo uPalisi. Sesele kancane ukuthi ngimholo uPalisi. Ngibhalelise. Cause Obama, okay. Goodbye.